Shit,
switch.
dude.
Yeah.
66 was the year.
I thought that once you guys got rid of Amazon, you wouldn't be busy.
No, we still got it.
The early 66
You do?
Fairlands, like mine, it was just a red tail light. And mid-year they changed
Mine, I was going to hook up the backup camera.
How many times have you drawn off with that? How many times have you driven off with that in the carburetor? Boy, would that suck in?
Yes. I started it with it.
Ooh. Well, no, it wouldn't.
The foam pulls.
Oh, yeah, rip it right out. What a mess. I remember those air filters that were like a dome on top and they had a foam rubber?
Yeah.
And you backfire and it catch on fire and melt down into your carburetor?
right where you need it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She has a backup camera.
Well, you're the only one who stuck with the theme of Halloween.
Yeah, well, you know, someone had to do it.
Yeah. You got her up, huh?
Yeah. Actually, she had to get me up this morning.
I've been telling some people about that car. They go, really? Yeah. There she is. She's right there.
Yeah.
So I'll make sure that when we do the cruise next time you come, I'll introduce you to the owner and let him know you got the tires for the trip.
Okay. So here. Roll. Mike here, I still got to see him. I have money for you. Uh-oh.
Randy,
What?
do you know what a flux capacitor is?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you look up this part number in O'Reilly, it'll show as a flux capacitor.
No. A flux capacitor was in the
Back to the Future.
Back to the Future DeLorean.
Right. But
What does that do?
That part number in O'Reilly's part numbers is a flux capacitor.
Really? What is that? Just a sight glass, right? Is that a screen?
Yes. It's a filter.
Why would you have a filter?
So you don't get contaminant in your radiator.
Well, it's obvious. I mean, it's funny that I did a video in your car, and right on cue that your dash came on. It was funny.
When I was at Champion Radiator last weekend, their car show,
Yeah.
and I was talking to Veronica, and I used to say that this would, people go, what is that? And I go, that's for lithium crystals, you know. And I was talking to Veronica there, and she goes, no, you should put a tag on it, flux capacitor, and then put their part number from O'Reilly on it. And I go, that's a bitchin' idea. I'm gonna
That's what you did. Yeah, I mean, I've never seen a filter on the cooling system. It's a good idea for, especially an older motor.
Well, and also to keep contaminants out of the radiator.
Yeah. Oh yeah. As much as they
And
cost.
you can see the condition of the flow and everything
Sure.
else.
Yeah. Make sure you have fluid. And then is this
Overflow. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you.
Thanks. Now I share it with the world.
We talk to your dad every morning about
He tells me a story. What was the story he told me this morning about you? What were you guys talking about this morning? You had, you know the guy with the 61. Something. I know. What did you used to do for work?
I still do.
What do you do?
Home loans.
Home
See you guys later.
See you, Rick.
Take care, Rick.
Home loans. Home loans. No, that wasn't it. It was something else. I can't remember. He'll come to me.
CRN.
Yeah, next week he'll come to me. I gotta go. I'm hungry. You're kidding, that's your turret radius? You can't turn anymore? racing. Okay, we'll see you guys next week. Same time, same bat station. See ya, boys.
Take care.
Okay. What's the other word for the typewriter? What do they call this? Say,
Tommy gun?
no, they call it something typewriter.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know what you
I can't think of it. Not the gangster typewriter. It was something.
Yeah, they have another name for it. I forget what it was.
Okay, when you do, I'll remember. Let me know. I'll see ya. Okay. Everybody leaves at the same time. See you guys. Did you do that? Did you see that?